Malintech ERP Solutions is a powerful, all-in-one business management platform designed to help modern organizations streamline operations, improve efficiency, and achieve faster, smarter growth through complete digital transformation. It brings your entire business into one centralized system, giving you real-time visibility and full control across every department. From warehouse management to automated inventory management, smart financial management, sales and AI-driven customer insights, optimized supply chain operations, real-time reporting and business intelligence dashboards, and streamlined manufacturing management. With advanced warehouse management, businesses can track stock movement in real time, reduce operational delays, and improve order accuracy with greater efficiency. Automated inventory management ensures optimal stock levels, minimizes shortages and overstocking, and keeps operations running smoothly across multiple locations. The Smart Financial Management System simplifies invoicing, billing, budgeting, payment processing, reconciliation, and financial reporting, giving businesses complete transparency and full financial control. With sales and AI-driven customer insights, businesses can analyze customer behavior, identify trends, and discover new opportunities to improve conversions and increase revenue through data-backed decision-making. Optimized supply chain management ensures better coordination, real-time tracking, and smoother logistics operations, helping businesses reduce delays and improve overall operational efficiency. Powerful reporting tools and real-time business intelligence dashboards turn complex data into clear, actionable insights, enabling smarter decisions, better performance tracking, and greater organizational control. Manufacturing operations are also streamlined with improved planning, automation, and resource management to maximize productivity and reduce operational costs. Built on secure and scalable cloud technology, Malintech ERP adapts to your business needs, whether you are a growing startup or a large enterprise, ensuring long-term flexibility, reliability, and sustainable growth.